We're going to rekey a Schlage Deadbolt. It's an old style. The tailpiece just flips in. The problem is once they get old, that falls off sometimes. It's a 5-pin SC1. I got my pre-cuts. Seen this in previous videos. Let's remove the retainer, depress. I just pull that there. I'll get used to get that little spring out. If you don't get it out, it's going to fall out. There it is. So we've got the little spring. Sometimes it gets stuck in there. I just use a dental pick, pull it out if it gets stuck. Put the key in. Follower. So it's got the 6 hole is empty. 5-pin. I just dump the pins. I don't try to resave them. Always the important step. Check your top pins. Make sure they're all there. And look at that. It's missing. Look at that. I've checked 1, 2, 3. 3 is empty. That's why you always check your top pins. So whoever rekeyed this before, so we're minus the top pin. Always check. So now if we look here on Schlage, we want the top pin, in this case, is a 235T. So we go down to here. Is that right? 200 to 165. So I'll just go 165. Put the top pin in there. Go to the back. Let's check. There's nothing there because that's the 6. There's nothing there. 1 there. 1 there. There's no master pins, but it was missing 1 top pin. This lock must always had stick. Now with this, I have my code written down here. So I just key it up to the original. You see it's flush. Go my next number. This is why I like this little lab kit. I like the 005 kit. I just found it better for me. And again, rounded side down. Rounded side down. Perfect. Remember, keep that empty because it's only a 5-pin. Make sure you're going to 45 degree. Put it like this. You're going to get the top pins will be stuck in that last hole. Put it in. Test it. There's 1. Now, always check the old key. Just to make sure. The customer wanted 5 keys. All the keys are perfect. And put the retainer spring. The retainer pin in this case, it's pointy on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way I put it in. Put in the end cap. I depress. And again, just give it a little, just enough. Now what you do is you do these finger tight and then back off 1 click. 1 position. Let's try our key. Absolutely perfect. Now let me just put, and now we will test all my keys already. And that just fits in. Now if the bolt is out, it'll go together perfect every time. Or we can time it. What do I do with the bits and pieces? Oh, here we go. cylinder housing, spacer ring. Let's throw her back on the door. Now what I'm gonna do is I like tri-flow. This is the outside door. Get some water in there. Now because I can, with the bolt out, it always goes together perfect, but I can time it, so I know this will work. So key out, basically. I've timed it. Put the little tailpiece in there. Gotta be careful you don't cross thread. Just start them. Really, beginners, you shouldn't use this. But I've been doing it for a long time, so I can even set that torque. Now we're in a business of snug, not super tight. Let's try it from the outside. Try the key. Let's just try it on the door. Perfect. You know what? Upgrading, we should have a security plate on this. Now, what I finally do, my last little bit, I will spray the bolt, spray the keyway. Really? Well, they're going to take it. We test it. And don't forget to try the old key again. And then what I'm going to have is the customer is going to try the old key. They'll try each of the 5 keys. Then when I go, I know that everything is perfect. So it reduces your callbacks like crazy. So have the customer check all the keys, check the old key, everything's good then. You reduce your callbacks by 99%. It's usually customer error is why you get a callback. We'll have the customer test it. That's it, single cylinder deadbolt, rekey, 5 keys, tri-flow, check your top pins. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.